YVA Trades.
Welcome to YVA Trades. My name is Josh. It is Thursday, and this is a look at my profit. I hit my all-time highs yesterday, so my weekly progress, look at that, my monthly bar here on that breakout. First day of November was good. I'm hoping for another good day. I'm already red, traded pre-market, so we'll see. A lot of stocks on the scans this morning. Let's go check it out. First things first, though, The market overall, what are you going to say about that? So we were looking on our daily downtrend. We want to see a weekly or a daily uptrend, and we wanted to see a big enough bounce that the bulls could pull back and form a higher low. Well, we got it. We got a big bounce. I thought maybe we'd pull back before we reach this last daily lower high. But right now we're trading up here at 426.98, and so it looks like it's possible we might have a gap up open. We still have 15 minutes to go. So we no longer have, if we open higher, we no longer have a daily downtrend, and the bulls will be looking for a confirmation of a daily uptrend. So we want to see some consolidation eventually here, a little pullback and a higher low and a higher high. So we'll see gap ups are usually for selling and gap downs are usually for buying. So we'll see if we gap up here and maybe we pull back and fill the gap. It'd be interesting to see what happens if we do pull back to this level or this level down here to see if we can maintain and make that next move higher. So scouting for those daily trend changes so that we'll know our weekly higher low or bottom is set. And technically, we've already broken out over that last candle, so you could say that we already have a weekly bottom set without a daily trend change. And I don't like to see that. I'd rather see a nice, steady trend change. But either way, we do have that break if we open above 424.82. So things are looking okay in the market right now. Here's a look at our scanners this morning. I already traded AFRM, PBLA, PLTR. I'm red across the board. I just could not seem to get anything to work for me pre-market this morning, and I had problems with orders filling and took a bigger loss than I wanted to on PBLA because, pre-market, sometimes when you get into a trade, it's a little difficult to get back out. And so I had a hard time with that. And what do you know? So far, the live stream this morning is working much better. I don't know what was wrong with the internet yesterday. Okay, so let's look at the gap scan. I'm going to go ahead and freeze this. This is my gap scan on trade ideas. We're pretty spread out, a lot of stocks. Hard to know which one is the obvious. There are quite a few of them moving. PLTR here, I traded this earlier, and it is consolidating nicely. So I want to keep an eye on it. I saw some things on it earlier where there was a lot of overhead resistance, and I was watching the price ladder, Thinkorswim's version of the level 2, and I would see a lot of sell orders on the ask, and I would think, man, we're right up at this resistance. There's all these sell orders, and then the next thing you know, all those sell orders would get taken out, and you'd see a short squeeze, and I saw it happen twice. So I'm kind of curious if we're going to see more of that on PLTR. Right now, we're consolidating on that 15-minute time frame. So we'll look at that in a second. AFRM here was on the high of day scan. That one also looks pretty good. It's a little higher priced. I'm not sure what the float is on it. Ooh, AI, look at that. I was wondering when that was going to happen. Been waiting for AI to make its breakout move, but okay, so back to AFRM. Yeah, this one, so I will definitely keep an eye on. We might have a full slate this morning. Lots to watch, and that can get a little confusing. I don't like the slow days, but I also kind of don't mind them because there's less to watch, and so I can focus more, but that's okay. PLTR, and then PLBA. Let me see, actually, what time is it? We have 9 minutes, so I better hurry along. AFRM does have news. And I remember yesterday, the FOMC day, we did see some bullish action after that. And so we should, I think there's earnings on, was it Amazon or Apple today? And I don't know. I think that there's a little more volatility now after that for at least the next 2 days here. So AFRM had news. The other one was PLTR, and that one also has news. Well, I don't know. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. PBLA, no, it's kind of given back everything. I traded that one, but that was the one I had a hard time getting in and out of. Mostly out of. SOXS didn't do too bad on that the other day, but it's trending down. JOBY. Okay, so let's look at the gap scan. OLIT up 44% only, and doesn't look like it because it's given back most of its move. That one's a no for me. LMND, really light on volume. I mean, it looks good on the larger time frame. I don't know, but a lot of them do this morning. That one doesn't look so good, so I'll skip that one. CLLS from yesterday, I tried to trade it a little bit. It made some really nice moves yesterday. We have an hourly uptrend, so we're looking for that 5-minute or that hourly higher low coming down. That there could be a trade there first thing, maybe. 5-minute time frame is a little choppy. I might watch. I'm going to put that up here temporarily, just because there could be something there. Let me see. DTKC. No. MRCB, no. This one here's got too high of a flow. It's a high ONQ. It is making some nice moves. Candle ranges are pretty small for that high price of a stock. So I'm going to skip that one because it would take too many shares to get in and out. CVNA doesn't have news. Float's okay. Volume's pretty light, but it has made a move up. Higher price stock. Again, candle ranges are pretty tight. This one, no. SOUN. I think I'm only going to watch those three, and then if I see something else pop up on the high of day, I might trade that. I am kind of interested in AI, but again, smaller candle ranges. I think we'll see the scanners lighting up this morning. Pretty good. Riot. Bitcoin sympathy stock. Bitcoin's been on fire lately. Just the crypto market in general for the last week or two, just crazy. MARA, no. So these are the stocks I'll be watching this morning. All right, so I'll start with the larger time frames. Hourly time frame, up and away here. We have an hourly inside bar, and we have a 15-minute consolidation, so we're looking for a 15-minute higher low. Little trough down there, support here. And then on the 5-minute time frame here, we're just, this could be a falling wedge. 1 minute, it's possible we might have ourselves a little falling wedge here. And that's a good thing to look for on any kind of consolidation. When you have an uptrend on a larger time frame, usually a falling wedge will mark the bottom of that pullback, and it is kind of a falling wedge. So we might have a trade there first thing. 5 minutes to go till the market opens. And so where would I look for that support? Where would I look for the bounce? Right now I have those levels all the way down here, so I don't know at this moment in time. I might keep my trend line here for now, and this might try to break out ahead of time. That's the 1 minute. So I'm not sure where I'll trade that first thing, if at all. Let's go take a look at the next stock over here, AFRM on the larger time frame. So we're due for some consolidation, rejecting from 20 there. 15 minute, we pulled back a little bit here, consolidated a little on the 15, bulls showing some strength. No levels really to mark out there. Let's look at the 5 minute. Shaping up to be an equilibrium, favoring the bears. Well, the pullback here, I'd say the retracement's pretty healthy consolidation for the bulls. So this one could be something I want to jump into right away. What I'd like to see is a little pullback first. This one does have wider spreads. All right, 3.5 minutes till the market opens. I'm doing okay. Got to hurry up though. So that's the 5 minute, the 1 minute time frame. I will put something down here, but I don't know. Okay, so then the next one over is CLLS on the hourly time frame. It's just stair stepping up here on the hourly. We're down at $3. We do have this trough in here. That's that 15-minute time frame. Okay, And this one here is shaping up to be a wedge as well. I don't know if I have time really to draw this out. Little wedge there. I'll keep it there for now. So CLLS looks good for a trade right away, maybe. Let's look at the 5 minute, really choppy on the 5. But I might jump into that immediately. We'll see what we look like here in a couple more minutes. I'm going to set up my candle ranges. I'll use the 5 minute time frames. And so on CLLS, I'm going to use a 7-cent stop. So I'll buy about 15,000 shares on that one. AFRM 33, because I'm risking $100 per trade. So let me see. 30, I'll just use 30 cents. My stop will be 30 cents away on AFRM. It does have a spread, but that'll be about 300 shares. And then on PLTR, I'll just go with 12 cent stop on that one. So on that one, I'll be buying about 800 shares. So CLLS is already down there at that level. I don't know about CLLS. I'm just not sure. Okay, so a little bit of time left here, a minute and a half. So I'm down $82.60 to start my day. And PLTR is already trying to break out. That's okay. We're looking for a 15-minute higher low. Excuse me. All right. So, 45 seconds left. Good luck today in your trading. I'm going to change my stop loss to 15 cents on PLTR. Let's see if I can jump into this right away. CLLS breaking down too much there for me, so I'm not interested in that one anymore for now. It needs volume anyways. So I'm watching PLTR. I want to see a pullback first thing. I'm also watching AFRM. Here we go. I'll buy that little dip. I was a little late on it, so my stop loss is in a good place if my order gets filled there. But AFRM, it's just going right away. Crazy on us here. I gotta cancel. I kind of made a mistake jumping into this one. The candle range opened up pretty wide there, and so my stop loss got hit. Oh, look at the breakout on this one here. 31 cents. Wow, that's nice. I wish my order would have gotten filled because I would be in that right now. So this is not my day, unfortunately. I'm in one trade still, but I'm well below my max loss because of the stops I took on that first one here. Some explosive moves. This one exploded up, then down. This one I FOMO'd into as it was exploding up. We have a halt on CFLT going down. crazy morning. So yeah, the volatility is definitely there. I just got stopped out on that. So I'm down 500 today. So you might want to just take it easy and wait a little bit, let things settle out. I can't trade anymore today because my max loss is 200 and I'm sitting down 500. So I'll sit here and watch for a bit though. Let me see. In a while. All right, so there's my pullback. So a little bigger than I'd like. Gave back about a day and a half worth of profit there. But that's okay. Well, you know what that means. I'm going to get out of here early. There's no point sticking around. I hope you have a good trading day. I'm going to go sit in a corner for a little bit and think about it and come back tomorrow. We'll try again. Enjoy your day, and thanks for watching. Bye.